Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo.
Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo. Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo. Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo. Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo. Lelimo La Berlin Kea orata, mmino famo.
My name Lelimo La Berlin has a story, and this I want to tell you. When I went first time to Lesotho in 2015, I got introduced there as Lelimo La Kea, and I was surprised because I don't know what Lelimo means. And then after that journey, I asked around, and then they told me, yeah, Lelimo means cannibal. And as I'm not from Kea, I'm from Berlin, I thought Lelimo La Berlin is alright. The name Lelimo La Kea was given to me because I like Tate Musiwa, but the other ones they made fun of me. So now I'm Lelimo La Berlin, the cannibal of Berlin. But despite the name, I'm very friendly. Gut war Koreaner. Katara in Europa. Whoa. The project chose for me, now I am in studio, that everything you want to achieve will come true. You just need to work on it, and you should not lose your faith in it. You should always believe the things you are good in, and one day your dreams will come true. Aha! Two persons I would like to mention who helped me a lot with Famo and the song are Elvis Masupa and Lerato Mulupane. I know them for a long time. Ich said accordion, ich. Otherwise, my other name is Jonkelzat FAMOFAN. That you can find me on Facebook. You can also check on the Lelimo La Berlin Facebook page. Hala hala. Lesotho is a nice country. It's not only a nice country because of Famo. There's a lot of nice landscape and a lot of nice interesting animals. I just wanted Lesotho again. I would like to highlight the bald-necked ibis. It's a bird which is very special for this area. And without my love to Famo, I would never have gotten to Lesotho. Lesotho, the kingdom of the sky. And Lesotho people like the blankets and they like the Molamu, the stick for walking and fighting. But despite that, Lesothos are very friendly. They always greet with Kotso or Tatelegai. And when you are greet back, they're always happy. Gut war Koreaner, Koreaner Rampuana, ich. Der Riebe. Katara. I didn't expect to get that success with the first song and also to be in studio again. I'm very excited and would like to thank again all my friends and supporters who never stopped supporting me and always said I'm on the right way. Gerne boa mitzvale. And I should explain the animal of my Lelimo La Berlin logo. That's the park-top prawn. It's a big red frigate which is very common in Johannesburg and Pretoria and is a nuisance for many people. But I like them. They're big and they like to fight and they can secrete a very smelly secret apart. And the name park-top prawn they got because they like swimming pools to drown there, so they look like a prawn and they're red. And that's why I took it as a logo because it's very unique for Gauteng and farmers also listen in Gauteng and Lesotho.